is what you need to do if you want to sell 1 car a day. Okay? And then the end of it is how are we going to get that many people? But we'll wait. We'll go around the room and then we'll end with that, okay? Elliot, how many cars are you going to sell? Okay. So let's break it down now as a salesperson, and we're going to all go through the room individually because you guys got to start doing this. Some of you are picking numbers out of your ass, basically, and hoping that you're going to sell them without really breaking it down on what you need to do every day. So, Dan, 20 cars a month. There's 26 working days. Now I'm going to assume that some of you want days off. So I took off 5 days. So for every salesman, that would mean 21 working days for you. Okay, so 21 working days. How many cars do you need to sell a day?
One a day.
1 a day. Not rocket science. Good, you're good at math. Okay.
1.2.
Probably a little bit more than that. Okay. How many people do you need to see a day to sell 1 car a day?
A minimum of 2 appointments.
Okay.
Preferably 3 to be on the safe side.
3 people a day that he needs to actually talk to. Okay. Opportunities, we'll call them, right? To sell 1 car a day. 3 opportunities a day is what you need to do if you want to sell 1 car a day.